YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a really nice coconut cream yogurt. It's really tasty. It's vegan, even raw vegan. Okay, let me show you how it's made. The first step you'll need to get, I've got some organic coconut cream, but you can also make it from raw coconut or any coconut milk you'll have. You need a really nice and clean jar. Either yogurt that you've already made or bought, of course vegan, or vegan probiotics. This is baby vegan probiotics. Okay. The first step is to open the coconut can. Okay, oops, be careful. And the next step is to just pour it into your jar. Okay, so you can put 4 teaspoons of the probiotics, or, and that's what I'm gonna do, a full tablespoon of the cream that I've already made, of the yogurt. And then you just need to mix it up. Some people say not to use metal stuff, so we can use a chopstick instead. Mix it up very well. You can put a tablespoon or 2 of the organic yogurt, or 4 teaspoons of the protein powder that you can get in any pharmaceutical shop. Okay. The last step, after you've mixed it all up very well, you need to have some cheesecloth or any cloth, very clean cloth, like even a towel will do. Just cover it up, and I connect it with some rubber bands, and then I let it sit for 24 hours up to 48 hours. You can taste it after 24 hours. You might see some white clear, that it's separated, but then just mix it all up again. And if you like the taste after 24 hours, that's good. It will be sharper and more full of probiotic if you wait for 48 hours. Okay, and enjoy your really tasty coconut cream yogurt. Enjoy! Please, if you like this video, I would really appreciate your liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Have fun and see you next time.